everyone. Okay, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you what I'm adding into my sister swap box because I do need to get it mailed off. So let me kind of move this to the side so I can show you everything. Now for the swap, you needed 10 items that was fall themed. Okay, didn't matter what or anything, just 10 items. Alright, so last week, or Friday, I don't know if you guys remember watching me make this video of me making the card, but there's my personal touch to it. And then I found this super cute cup. It's got all these different leaves on it. And then I found this harvest mix of, what is the candy corn? I don't mind the chocolate ones, but God, they're really sweet. But maybe she'll like them. So I filled the cup up with those. So there's one, or two, I guess, if you want to count the candy. I'm counting it as one. And then I found these pumpkin spice cups. It's filled with pumpkin spice. How cool is that? So there's another one. And then look at this. Look how stinking cute this is. I love it. I hope she'll have fun. But they only had the one. Or I would have gotten myself one. But isn't that adorable? So that is 3. And then look at this. Look how cute this is. Happy Thanksgiving. Is that not just adorable? It's got the feast and everything. Love this. Absolutely love it. So there is another one. And then I found these as well. So it comes with one towel and then these matching hot pads that goes with the cup. I thought that was super cute. So we're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 things. And then this. Look how cute. So on one, it's got 2. It's got some pumpkins. And then it's got a truck that's got little pumpkins in the back. So, like I said, she had neck surgery, so I don't know if she'll be able to do these or not. We'll see. And then look at this. Are they not just the cutest? And it's salt and pepper shakers. Tell me that is not super cute. So, there you go. And then I found this that she could hang on her door. It's got the little loop there. But is that not just adorable? So cute. I love it. It's just adorable. And then it's not too fallish, but it's kind of got the colors. But I thought, this would be great for her desk or, whatever. But comes with some sticky notes. And then, of course, the 2021 calendar. So there is that. And then the last thing, well, some paper to wrap all this up in. But the last thing I got her was this. And I thought this was so perfect because of what she's kind of going through right now. But it's got just inspirational quotes on here. So I thought she might like that. And the backgrounds are just amazing. So she could always cut this apart and make cards or whatever out of it. So that is what I got for her. I mean, it's all super simple, but so super cute, right? Like, I love this. I might have to go back and get me one for sure. This, oh, I wish they would have had two, because I definitely would have gotten that. That one I thought was a super cool find. And then this. So adorable. Yeah. I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys think of this like little haul that I got for her. Because yeah, I gotta get it mailed out. I think this is my favorite. It didn't come with a straw, so but any straw will fit in there. Anyhow, I don't know. I love it. I love it. I think these are super cute. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Dollar store. This is where I got it all. Was it the Dollar Tree? Yep. All of it was from the Dollar Tree. I was trying to think maybe something else wasn't, but no, it was. Oh no, the candy. This was Walmart, but everything else was the Dollar Tree. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys think, and if you think that would be a fun box to open up, and things like that. All right, you guys, I will let you go, and I will see you guys on Friday for another crafty day. Love y'all. Bye.